In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch your recorded shows on YouTube TV. Whether you're catching up on a missed episode or re-watching your favorites, it's super simple and works on any device you use with YouTube TV. Once a show has been recorded using YouTube TV's unlimited cloud DVR, just open the app or go to tv.youtube.com on your browser. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Library. From there, choose DVR to see all your recorded shows. You'll find everything organized by date, so it's easy to find what you're looking for. Just click or tap on the show you want to watch and hit play. It's that straightforward. You can also search for specific titles using the search bar. If you're using the mobile app, you can even download episodes to watch offline later. If you ever want to delete a recording or manage your list, just hit the 3 dots next to the show and choose Remove from DVR. Thanks for watching. If this helped you find your recordings faster, drop a comment below and let me know what show you watched first. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful streaming tips. See you next time.